Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Here we are with part 62 of this series, an idea that less is more and more is less. Now we previously talked a bit about less, less being more and more being less, but this one is a little bit hard to understand. He says, though, in this one, a very powerful principle that when we stop chasing after things like money, then ironically they start to come to us when instead we are serving instead of demanding, kind of thing. And this one seems a little bit hard to accept at first, but when you start to understand it, it is very powerful in transforming your life. The idea is basically coming down to need, okay? I have my Harry Potter and the, and the Sorcerer's Stone, Philosopher's Stone, whatever kind of story that really goes back to that one. So in the story there, as you guys probably know, Dumbledore puts this spell on the stone that says the one who wants to find the stone, find it, but not use it is the one who's going to be able to get it. So I say, think of the spell like this, okay? It's the one who wants the stone, wants it, but doesn't need it, who's going to be able to get it, okay? So when your life, you feel like I have to have, when you're demanding a certain income, like a certain kind of outcome, so you're saying the wheel has to come up 33 black this time, it has to work out perfectly, it has to, when you demand, you really choke, you get the yips, you get that choke syndrome, and you can't actually achieve what you want to achieve. But when you accept, it's going to work out in the long run, it doesn't have to work out this one time, but it's going to work out, then you get in that flow state of mind. You get out of the beta brainwave and more into the beta and alpha. So you're getting ideas from the subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is aiding you. And as we know, the subconscious mind could be like 2 million times more powerful than the conscious mind. You could get an idea that could be 1 million times better than whatever you had just thinking about it, because you're opening up that channel. So he's saying when you try to demand, you're putting yourself in a position of less power. You're putting yourself entirely in the conscious mind. But when you instead try to serve, try to feel good, try to, kind of want something but not need it, when you have that sense of certainty that you're just going to get it, it kind of just flows to you. As Napoleon Hill says about it, when big money comes, it comes so fast that you have been wondering, you end up wondering where it was all these years. Because when it starts coming, it just pours in and a flood of money kind of thing. And that idea is still applying here. He's saying that what happens is when you stop going after it, when you stop needing it, it starts to flow to you when you instead follow your passion, follow what you love, do what you love and the money will follow kind of stuff. That's about it for this part. That's 62 for you. I will see you guys next time on the next part. Talk to me about this kind of stuff because I love talking about it. And I will make future videos on all this kind of stuff because I just love it. So thanks everybody for watching. I will see you guys next time with part 63. So see you then.